everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tara with Mayhem Crafty Cards, and I have done some damage at scrapbook.com. So I don't order a whole lot, usually just little bits here and there, but I knew I needed a few things to kind of stock up on. Some things I didn't need, but some things I did. So I'm going to move all of this stuff out of the way, and I'm going to show you everything that I got at scrapbook.com. Okay, so to get the kind of boring stuff out of the way, I did pick up more adhesive because I go through a ton of adhesive, especially double-sided tape. I use it for just about everything. So I got a 1/4 inch, and I love this stuff because the backing peels off so easy. I don't have to struggle with it. So I got one packet of 1/4, and I got 6 of the 1/8 double-sided adhesive. I really enjoy these for like mini shakers or mini slimline cards. It just gives me just enough width that I need, you know, to make the smaller cards where I don't have a ton of room for like foam tape. I also picked up the 7mm foam tape. The backing just comes off so easy. I just used this in my video for the Rabbit Hole Designs. So I just got one of those because I do have a lot of foam tape. I also picked up these little mini cutters. Scissors. Words are not my friend today, guys. It's just not my friend. They seem really sharp, and I'm hoping that they will help me fussy cut a little bit better because I do struggle with the fussy cutting, and it's for left or right-handed people. I got the ink blending tool with the dome foams. I like to keep these around just to have something for more for my dye inks than anything else, because I use brushes for all my oxides, and even though I have a ton of brushes, I don't know, sometimes I just rather use the foam tools. So I also got 2 packs of the 25 A2 size top folding card, scored top folding card bases. It's 80 pounds, so it's the Nina 80 pound. So these are great because they'll be super quick and easy for me to put together. So I got 2 of these. I also got 2 of, let's see if I probably set it down with the other, yep. I got 2 of the flat card fronts, 25 sheets in a pack, and they're, you know, 5.5 by 4 1/4, and it is the Nina 80 pound paper. So, you know, just when I need to throw together quick and easy cards, I have these, and I don't have to worry about cutting any of my cardstock down. I also picked up this acetate. I've never seen them have it before, and maybe I just haven't looked in the right spot, but I got their acetate, and I believe this is 20 sheets. I'll have to double check on the website. I also got 2 different sizes of the double-sided foam squares. I like these to pop behind my little characters. Pretty much anything. I like dimension. I just can't help it. I think just add a little something special to your cards. I also picked up 3 of these craft scrapers. This is much bigger than my one from iCrafter, but I don't feel like it's as flexible. The only good thing, and this is why I took this one out of the package, because it came in a set of 3. So this is a kind of like a protector, a card protector. So you can very easily use these to make flat shaker cards. So I'm going to be saving those because I do like to make the flat front shaker cards. For some reason, I popped this guy from Doodlebug Designs in my cart. I thought I was getting the little, I guess, ephemera pack, and when I got this, I was like, oh, that is not the size that I thought this was. So I am going to be ordering more from scrapbook.com to pick up the rest of the collection for that. And I'm not even sure what this one is. This is the Craft Caddy. So I need to look and find the rest of that collection because I really love that little sticker. Both the stickers, actually. I'm just going to set this here for a second because I can't be the only one who does damage at scrapbook.com. So I got 12 new foils. I'll try to open them up quietly and pull them out of the bag for you guys. So I have lavender petal and fuchsia flower. So fuchsia flower and lavender petal. I'm sorry if you can hear my daughter laughing. She's just talking to some of her friends on the computer. This one is moon dust and I can't pronounce it. So it's a green. I'll show you the back of it because I most certainly can't pronounce it and I'm not going to butcher it. Maybe. Hopefully that came out. I'll have to check when I do the replay. Skybrite. And I did get two different blacks. So I got this black from Spellbinders. And I also picked up this black from Decofoil. I don't know why I never had a black in my collection. I just overlooked it. And I'm so glad that I can't even remember who it was that I seen that picked it up. But once I seen it on the card, I was like, oh my gosh, I need this. So I got matte gold and citrine. I also got prism and aura. I love these. And then I also picked up bright pink and tangerine. So just some fun different colors that I didn't have in my collection before. I'm going to push these guys over here. And I do have the Spellbinders hot foil machine. I just haven't used it very regularly, and I should. I also picked up another transfer duo, and then I got the Blanco. I use this stuff so much. Like my jar is almost to the point where I can't even use it because it's so empty. This was their free gift. It's just a Merry Christmas die set. I'm running out of room in my space. I also picked up two things from Honeybee. I picked up and I did go ahead and put these ones on magnets already. This is the Gingerbread House add-on. When I say there's a lot of dies, like, oh my goodness, there are so many dies in this set. So I plan on doing my Christmas cards this year using the house builder and the add-on. This is just the add-on. So A2 fits perfectly in an A2 envelope. So I do like to cut out the pieces so that I can lay them out and kind of see how things are going to work. Now this is just a little sample one. My daughter put this one together. But, I mean, look at all these little pieces that come just with this. So you could do so many things. But yeah, I plan on making all my Christmas cards this year using the house builder and the gingerbread add-on. I do have to pick up the stamp set though, because I, for some reason, was checking out and I didn't see it, and I just checked out without it. And then I got this, the Magic Mat. So I got this one for my Gemini. I have the full-size Gemini. I'm going to see how it works. I feel like I may have gotten a size maybe too big, but we're going to try it out. I mean, if anything, it just doesn't work for me and I have to get a different size. So, tell me what have been your big purchases? I don't make them very often, just maybe a couple times a year when I know I need, certain things, or there's a, really decent sale. I know scrapbook.com has a ton of stuff in their clearance section. And there's Christmas stuff in there. So I mean, Christmas in July is still going on for all these companies. So be sure to check them out. I'll make sure I link everything that I've shown you guys down below. If I can fit everything in my description box. So yeah, tell me what your biggest splurges this year have been. Until next time, guys, have a nice night.